Hello.
Hi. So welcome to our video, our slime video. Our mom is with us this time. Go check out her video. Comment down below. Can you see my face? Yeah. That's my sister. Behind her is my mom, and here mine. We're finally showing our faces because we need to do slime.
So Naomi's gonna show you the ingredients we have.
So we have this big gallon of glue that we got. And it
And
says
what else?
school glue.
What else do we have? You show
we-
something at the
So we have more glue. We have clear glue. We each have our own. We have glitter glue, and then we have paint to color our. We have yellow, blue, red, and white. We use white so we can make different colors.
Okay.
And go see my video with my sister where we do this one with her, and I do my glow in the dark one. And our mom is going to turn off the lights so that you guys can see the glow.
And what do you have there, Naomi?
Then I have Tide
Okay.
and some cornstarch because we need some. Then
Okay.
here's my mom's section, my sister's,
So let's
and
start.
then here's mine. So let's start. So I'm going to be using clear glue. I am too, since we got this. We're going to start small. Mom, is this fine? I think so. There. Wait, Mommy, we need to use water if you want to keep it like clear. Yeah, because this will make it blue. Oh, so then how do we do it? Like, I think we need to use water.
We need water. Okay, so let's bring a little bit
I'll
of
bring the
water.
water. You
Water
guys-
bottle. What else, Nat, do you need to put?
Okay, so after we put the
And spoons, Naomi, and forks.
So after we put in the glue, we need water, which my sister's getting. I got the water. And I got fresh water. We put in the Tide, and then we put in the corn. No Tide. No Tide. Or else it will make it blue.
Yeah.
So I guess no Tide. Only water.
Just a little bit of water. Tiny, tiny bit.
And then we put in
Cornstarch, it's gonna make it white.
I know, but we need a little. Like this.
We'll see about that.
Only pour a little bit.
That's it. Yep. You don't need much. And what about spoons?
Oh, I forgot to get you tell me how much.
That's it. Or
Okay, now my mom has to do it.
okay,
So I will record.
sure.
So my mom is putting in the clear. Being so elegant. Putting it with the small tube.
That should be fine for now. And a tiny little bit of what?
So let's bring up the water. My mom is going to put in a little bit of water. Now we're going
And
to.
then let's shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
So we're going to stir. We first need to put the other ones. So my sister, she is mixing. My mom is mixing. I'm mixing, trying to hold the camera. I will hold it for you. Time. And let's see. Naomi, can you see? Like, if I stand here, can you see me? Yeah, but not your plate. Then just show my plate. Okay, so I'm stirring now because I was holding the camera. I am. So my sister's holding the camera now because we need a real camera. We have our tablet, but make sure you go subscribe to our video because we have none subscribers. That's sad.
Don't say it.
Don't say that. Then, yeah, because then they won't subscribe to you. No, they won't. Oh, this is so hard. Then go see my mom's video where she has more than us. And it's boring. So I only think that parents should see her video because it's boring for little kids. She's only talking about beauty school and Mexico language.
In Spanish. It's not coming out.
You still need to put the.
The cornstarch? Okay, you do it yours, Naomi, then.
Yeah, I want
I think this video is coming too long, so I'm gonna stop it and then we can show the rest, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. We'll show the results later on. Let's see yours.
It's turning like this snowy color.